Identify 8.8 292 page. Identify the functional groups in the following compounds. First one, so benzene ring CHO OMe OH. Second one, NH2 C double bond O CH2 CH2 and CH5 double bond CH double bond CH and water. So first one solution. So the structure is benzene ring. So here aldehyde. So this one alcohol, it is OM. So ether. So is functional group is aldehyde. It is aldehyde. Second one OH. So phenolic hydroxide. Phenolic hydroxide. So this group is phenolic hydroxide. Next one O. So O means ether. So this ether is phenolic ether. Phenolic ether. So the compound CHO-OH-OMe contains aldehyde, phenolic ether and phenolic hydroxyl group. Next second one, here see, second one benzene ring. Benzene ring. So it is NH2. NH2 means it is primary amine. NH2 means it is the primary amine. NH2 is the primary amine. NH secondary amine. So N triple bond is the C. N thrice is the tertiary amine. Next one, here in this place it contains OO. So it is the ester and CH2 CH2 N C2H5 C2H5. So it is the ester. So that's one is the ester. It is the ester. This group is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. So this compound contains primary amine and tertiary amine and ester. So primary amine, tertiary amine and ester. Next last one. So this compound contains third one benzene ring double bond CH double bond CH NO2. So NO2 is nitro group. So it is the nitro group. So NO2 is the nitro group. So it is the ethylenic double bond. Ethylenic double bond. So this compound contains nitro group and ethylenic double bond. So these are the, so first compound contains aldehyde, phenolic ether and phenolic hydroxyl. Second one contains primary amine, tertiary amine and ester. Third compound contains nitro group and ethylenic group, ethylenic double bond group. So thank you. Please subscribe.